Welcome to this Styles University video session on panel sizing using Woodwop 7. In this video session, we will discuss how to define processed and unprocessed parts, variable lists, overriding and saving variables, and the workpiece parameters. We will conclude the video session with two programming exercises. When you first open Woodwop, you have the option to input the processed and unprocessed part dimensions within the workpiece macro. Notice the green pencil next to the workpiece macro. The green pencil must be next to the macro you want to edit. This will be something you want to pay close attention to when you first get started programming in Woodwop. The data below the 3D finished process part window will always be the parameter display of the macro the green pencil is next to in your Processes tab. Zooming in closer, we see the workpiece parameters are divided into three columns. The definitions of these parameters are also divided into three corresponding columns on the next slide. Here we can see the definitions of each workpiece parameter. You can also download a copy of these definitions by clicking on the Resources button. The Variable List tab allows you to enter as little or as many variables required for your part. The variables are case sensitive. For example, entering a lowercase I for inches in the variable table will require you to use lowercase I when sizing your panel, 24 inches long by 24 inches wide by 3/4 of an inch thick. Add your part's dimensional length, width, and thickness to the variable list, and the letters L, W, and T to your processed part X, Y, and Z below the 3D model as shown. To overwrite templates so your variables and workpiece parameters always load when you open a new Woodwop program, click Extras, Overwrite Template Values, and then Variables. You will need to repeat these steps to also overwrite the workpiece. So click Extras, Overwrite Template Values, and then Workpiece. This will lock these values as the new defaults. Now that we have discussed how to define processed and unprocessed parts, variable lists, overriding and saving variables, and the workpiece parameters, utilizing Woodwop, complete the two programming exercises you see on the screen. Use the millimeter dimensions for the upper program and inches for the base program. Thank you for participating in this Styles University video session on panel sizing.